So I am here in the galley, and I will show you a little bit what is inside our galley, and also what is down there. Down there. Down there. Yeah. Hot plate. We have 4 hot plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have this oven. We have oven. 1, 2, and 3 down there. And I'm also frying where you fry. This is a fridge. Yeah. So we have this fire blanket, as you can see. Very important fire blanket. So in case of fire, we can use it. Also, we have first aid. First aid's there, and all the utensils is here. Also here we can see a dough mixer for baking.
Yeah, making bread. Yeah.
And also there are the chamber, speeder, and flux. Also water boiler, so hot water can be put outside. We have dishwashing also, used for washing plates. And also here fire call point. So fire call point also here. And telephone here. So we have the vegetable fridge here. You can see. Yeah, vegetable fridge. And also we have this foam fire extinguisher also available in the galley. So very important also. And what else there now?
Provision store.
Provision store.
Yes.
Can you show me?
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Yes, let's go. So we're going down to provision store. So here also what you will see in the provision store. So guys, we have also one foam fire extinguisher here. So wow. So a lot of stuff here, you know. And yeah. So what else? So here are the refrigeration plant fan switchboard. So controller for this, you know, cold chamber and everything, no? So we have this cold chamber.
Yes.
Yeah, see. So in cold chamber you can see meat room. So we can open meat room.
Yes.
You can open meat room here.
Yeah.
So this is a meat room. So as you can see now, very cold inside. So, yeah. Also we have this report chamber alarm push button. So if you are inside and you stuck and this door closed, so you can push this button so that on the bridge, duty on the bridge, and also in the galley will be alarmed, so they will know somebody is inside this chamber, right? So next is what is next? Fish room. So this is also fish room. So what can you see in the fish room is also fish. Yeah, so it's also cold in here. Yeah, freezing. So also you still have a push button in case of your lock inside. So you still have means to ask for help. And is the bedroom. You can see the bedroom. So you also plenty vegetable here. All right. So plenty provision. Vegetable. Also we have. You can see push button.
Alarm.
For alarm. Yes. Really looping new. So what else? What else? Nothing.
Nothing.
So guys, that is only you can see here. I think I can stick some food here. All right. So that's all. Also one here. Okay. Push bottle also. So guys, let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. So that is going inside galley, and this is our mayor, our chief cook.
Just like and subscribe.
So I think that's all our galley tour. Big thanks to Messman and chief cook.